Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. I'm Tanya, and you are with Creations with Tanya, and today I'm doing block B in our old, new, borrowed, and blue quilt. So as you can see, this is the finished block and what it looks like, and the fabrics you'll need are fabrics A in the solid blue, fabrics A in the yellow, and these are 4.5 inches wide. Then for the outside, you will need E and F in the dark blue floral print, and G in the light blue. So let's get started with sewing together the 9 patch. The yellow, you'll need 1 yellow strip from A, and you'll also need 1 yellow strip from A, and then 2 solid blue strips from A. These are the 4.5 inch wide strips, and so you're gonna sew right sides together, 1/4 inch seam, both of these on each side, sew them right sides together, and I'm gonna cut off the selvages, and I will be back. You'll see the finished product. Alright, I've sewn both strips, the blue strips to the yellow strip, as you can see here, and I have ironed to the dark side, and these strips will be cut to 4.5 inches, and you'll need 2 for each block, and the total will be 20. So you'll just line it up, and it's 4.5. Like this. And you'll need 2. And another 4.5. So there you go. Then, after you've done that and you have all 20, you will then take 2 yellow 4.5 inch strips and 1 blue inch strip, and do the opposite of what you did before. So the blue will be in the middle and the yellow will be on the outside. And you only need 10 of these cut to 4.5 inch strips. So I will come back once I'm done sewing this, and I will show you what to do next. Here we go. I've sewn the 2 yellow strips on the outside of the blue, and I've also ironed to the blue to the dark side, so that when I go to sew them all together, they nest really nicely. And these will be cut like the other one, 4.5 inches wide, just like this. You only need 1 for the center, because this is the centerpiece, and then the blue ones are going to go on the outer. So it's going to be just like this. So you're going to, of course, right sides together, nest up really nicely. Look at that. If you want, I find it's easier to pin so it doesn't move, and then iron, and then you'll sew the other side like that. And once I'm done that, I'll be back and I'll show you the next step. Alright, I'm back and I have my 9 patch sewn and ironed. And next I'm going to take the fabric F, the dark blue print, and sew each of these 2.5-inch wide strips to each side. And they're going to be, of course, right sides together, 1/4-inch seam. And when I'm done, I'll show you the next step. So I have sewn both sides and I've also ironed to the dark side. Now you're gonna put these aside, and the next step is you're gonna take your fabric G and fabric E and sew these together to make a long strip. So I have E here and 2 strips of G here, and I'm gonna sew right sides together, of course, 1/4-inch seam, and we're gonna make a strip that looks like this. When I'm done sewing, I will come back and show you the finished strip and what to do next. I'm back with the finished strip, so the 2 light blues with the dark print, and we are going to cut 20 each at 2.5 inches. So let's cut 2. We'll need 2 for each side, and we're making 10 blocks, so that makes total sense. 2.5. So, again, 2.5, and then we are going to take our block that we did, and we are going to sew these on the top and the bottom. And I like to pin them here, and when I'm done, you'll have the finished block. I'll be back when I'm done. And there you go. Block B is finished. Stay tuned for next week. I will show you how to sew blocks A and blocks B together to make your quilt top, as well as put on the borders, and then your quilt top will be done, and then you can do your quilt sandwich and put the binding on. So you'll need, don't forget, you'll need 10 A blocks and 10 B blocks. All right, so I will see you next Saturday, and have a happy quilt day. Bye.